Count unique values per groups with pandas. I need to count unique id values in every domain. I have data. I try df.groupby domain id.count. But I want to get unique. If you need to strip characters, or as John Clements commented, you can retain the column name like this. The difference is that unique returns a series and ag returns a data frame.
Generally, to count distinct values in single column, you can use series.value_counts. To see how many unique values in a column, use series.unique. To get all these distinct values, you can use unique or drop_duplicates. The slight difference between the two functions is that unique return a numpy.array while drop_duplicates returns a pandas.series. As for this specific problem, since you'd like to count distinct value with respect to another variable, besides groupby method provided by other answers here, you can also simply drop duplicates firstly and then do value_counts.
df.domain.value_counts.
If I understand correctly, you want the number of different ids for every domain. Then you can try this. Output. You could also use value_counts, which is slightly less efficient. But the best is Jezreel's answer using unique.
So what is your best asserted